What makes PC parts reliable for building a custom computer? Imagine building a computer that runs smoothly for years without crashing or overheating. The secret lies in choosing the right parts that are built to last. When you pick components for a custom computer, reliability depends on several key factors. First, the brand you choose matters a lot. Reputable companies like Samsung for solid-state drives or Asus for motherboards have strict quality control. These brands test their parts thoroughly before they reach you, which means fewer failures down the line. Next, compatibility is essential. Every part, from the central processing unit to the power supply, needs to work well together. If they are incompatible, your system can become unstable or even damage hardware. For example, making sure your motherboard supports your processor and RAM speeds prevents issues. Proper thermal management is also vital. Overheating can cause parts to wear out faster. Good cooling solutions like quality fans, heatsinks, or liquid cooling systems help keep temperatures in check. A reliable power supply unit is another must-have. It should provide enough wattage for your system and have high efficiency ratings. This protects your components from power surges and fluctuations, keeping everything stable. Assembly and maintenance play a big role too. Installing parts correctly, applying thermal paste properly, and keeping your system clean from dust help prevent failures. Regular cleaning and checking connections extend the life of your computer. Warranty and customer support are also important. Parts with good warranties give you peace of mind, knowing you can get a replacement if something goes wrong. Choosing parts from brands that offer solid support makes fixing issues easier. Looking ahead, future-proofing your build helps ensure your system stays relevant longer. Picking components that support newer standards like PCI Express 5.0 or DDR5 RAM means you won't need to upgrade as often. Modular parts and standard sizes make upgrading simple, which adds to the reliability of your system over time. For example, a motherboard with standard form factors like 8TX or micro 8TX makes swapping out parts easier. When you combine all these factors, you get a system that is not only powerful but also dependable. Selecting high-quality parts, ensuring compatibility, managing heat well, and maintaining your system properly all contribute to building a computer that lasts and performs reliably for years to come.